Hi guys, so this is Miss Trinidad here.
This is Miss Mejia.
This is a quick video just to show you how our Google Classroom is going to be working for the next couple of days. So if you open up our class, this is sort of the first thing you would see, at least for now. The stream here is just for like any announcements that we have to make or anything that's important that you guys have to see. So if we make any changes on the lessons or if there's something new, this is where you will see it. And here, over here, you can also see any assignments that are coming up and when they're due. The important piece is over here in the classwork. So the first thing you're going to see when you click classwork is daily assignments. The main thing you should look at first is your agenda. So you're going to have an agenda. This agenda right here is a little longer. Is from the 18th all the way to the end of next week, March 27. And if you click on it, it'll show you what you have to do every single day. So on day one, this Wednesday, you have to do a mini lesson, and then there's also a task that you have to submit. And you can keep scrolling down and see what else you have to do in the upcoming days.
Well, right now, it's not under assessment, but underneath assessment, you will find your independent practice. It will be in a form, in a Google form, and you'll have 2 forms to fill out by the end of next week. It will be for lesson 3 and lesson 6.
Okay.
If you submit the assessments or any task late, we will still be able to grade it, but there will be docking off some points.
Right. The other thing that you want to find that's the big part of this is under daily assignments is your lesson for the day. So this is an example of what a lesson would look like. It's not necessarily what you're going to have. So this is Algebra Lesson 1. When you click on the lesson, you'll see a little Google Docs that's going to pop up. Click on it. As a teacher, I have access to it, so I can edit this, but you as a student, you won't be able to edit any of the things that you have here. This is just for you to see. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you're able to print this out so that you're able to write on it, because Ms. Mejia later on is going to be showing you how you're going to be submitting your work. Okay, so you're not going to be doing for math, you're not going to be doing anything on the computer besides your independent practice. For this, you have to be able to print it so that you can work out the problems and fill out your mini lesson for every class. So just to go through this a little bit, the first thing you're going to see is your agenda, meaning what do you have to do today? What do you have to submit today for a grade? When is it due? Okay. The second thing you're going to see here is your mini lesson. So just like every other class that you guys had in person, you are going to have a mini lesson that you have to complete. I'm going to be posting a video that goes along with the mini lesson. So where you see these fill in the blanks and stuff like that, that means that in the video, I'm going to be giving you some sort of information that you're going to be filling this up with. The example, just like we do in class, we'll do together. So I'll work the first example out just so you guys know how to do it. And then you'll have your task, which again you'll complete in a printed copy. And you'll then submit to us, exactly. So that's for your task. If you have anything else, so for example, there is another day where you have to do a Khan Academy, then we'll give you more information on that.
Make sure you are submitting your work on time. There will be points taken off for any assignment that is submitted late.
Right, so you can still submit your assignments, right? You can still submit your assignments. And again, Ms. Mejia is going to show you how to do that in another video. You can still submit it, but you want to make sure that you're submitting it on time so that points are not taking off. The other important thing here under classwork is the online resources. So for example, here you have an online graphing calculator, an online scientific calculator, and a Regents practice. I'm going to be uploading other resources here that are going to be very helpful for you guys with other tutorials on how to use it. And a very special calculator app that we just found out about that you guys are going to be using to do your work. So everything, the structure of the class is still a little bit similar to what we've done before. You just want to make sure you get familiar with everything that you guys have here. Right now you're not going to have much, but beginning tomorrow you'll start having your lessons.
Well, I'm a little sad we're not with you guys, but I hope you guys get a little break, but also learn. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us.
Right. Make sure you're reaching out to through either Google Classroom or Remind, or shoot us an email. If you have our numbers, shoot us a text. We'll do our best to help you guys throughout this process.
Stay safe.
Bye.